Ask pretty much any woman and she'll tell you, if she wants to admit it, she's trying to get rid of cellulite, and it's a never-ending struggle. 85% of women over the age of 20 have it. That's a lot of women. But now there's a new treatment just approved by the Food and Drug Administration that doctors say is a permanent solution. Fox 31 Denver's Tammy VITAHL getting your questions answered about Cellulaze.
You may know it as cottage cheese, orange peel skin, or hail damage. Whatever you call cellulite.
I hate it. Cellulite is just not a pretty glamorous thing.
This Denver woman wants to banish the bumps. And it's so embarrassing she doesn't want us to identify her.
Well, it's a vanity thing, for sure. I mean, you know, nobody wants to see those god-awful dimples on your leg.
So she's visiting with a plastic surgeon at VITAHL in Cherry Creek, one of the first in the country to treat cellulite with a device called Cellulaze.
And now we have a treatment that is truly revolutionary. It draws upon technology that's never been used for this kind of problem.
And doctors tout it as a permanent solution because it attacks the structure of cellulite with just one visit.
The laser releases the fibrous bands that pull down on the skin and create the dimpling effect.
Video from the company that makes the laser shows it at work under the skin. This graphic shows the laser heat the skin and melt the fat. Then the laser breaks the connective tissue that pulls down on the skin to create the dimples. The laser then stimulates collagen to increase skin's thickness and elasticity. Check out the results in these before and after pictures.
Our understanding of cellulite has just come about in the past 10 to 20 years. The technology has just caught up to our understanding of what we need to do.
Doctors say historically treatments for cellulite have been pretty poor, especially cellulite creams, which are $1 billion a year industry. The problem is the creams and other therapies treat only the outer part of the skin, not the structural problem of cellulite under the skin.
And that's one of the big problems with aging, is the skin gets very thin and loose. So this device attacks that looseness and that thinness up underneath the skin.
This 54-year-old has battled cellulite since her early 30s.
I work out 4 or 5 days a week, and it doesn't matter what you do. I don't think it works well to solve the problem.
But now an apparent answer to smooth, vibrant skin and to feel confident wearing just about anything.
You can wear those short shorts that they come out with in the fashion magazines.
Tammy VITAHL, Fox 31 Denver.
Cellulaze costs between $5,000 and $7,000 per treatment. So, for example, both of your back legs are considered one area. It requires a local anesthetic where doctors make a few tiny incisions to insert the laser. The whole procedure takes about an hour and a half. Doctors say their initial patients treated 3 years ago have maintained their results, but the FDA says it based its decision only on 3 months of data, so it can only call the results for now short-term improvement.